Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. So let us start with the new video. Today I am going to tell you something interesting, that is which are the best platform where you can learn the Python language or how to learn Python language freely, that you will get the updates of new videos of Python, machine learning and big data. So there are different platforms. So in this video we will see which are the best platform, that too they are free to use and with interesting UI based courses. So let us start with the video. So the first is the Udemy. I hope everyone will be knowing about this platform. If no, Udemy is a great platform where there are many free courses as well as some are the paid courses. As you can see in the image that I have uploaded here, this is the UI of platform where you can choose the courses according to your field and choice. And there are some of the free as well as some are the paid courses. So you didn't need any subscription here, just you have to use your Gmail account and you can enroll to the classes for the free courses, and you will get different videos as well as lectures where you can learn in detail how to do the Python coding with the detailed explanation analysis. The next one is the Google's Python class. It is not that much attractive based UI as same as Udemy. The UI is very poor of Google's Python class, but yes, it's also provided the free class for the people who have a little bit of programming knowledge and experience and who want to learn Python. They have provided detailed note based analysis where they have provided text based notes for the analysis as well as for studying, and the course include different written tutorials as well as guest video lectures with a lot of coding exercises and practice tests. So, and basically it is available on YouTube also. So it is one of the advantage that you can download the videos from YouTube and save it to your personal computer. So the next is the Microsoft free Python course. It is also named as EDX. It is also one of the very famous website which offers different free courses, and you can learn Python with the help of Jupyter Notebook. It is an online browser based coding editor for Python. I hope everyone must be knowing about Jupyter Notebook. In my previous video we have already shown some of the coding sections, and the course of EDX is basically 5-week course, 3 to 4 hours course of every week you have to perform for the Python, detailed Python coding. So the name of the course is the Introduction to Python, and you will get a certification from Microsoft also. So it is a basically free as well as very good course where you will get enough knowledge of Python coding. So all of this website link I will be providing in the description box. You can go through it. All of this website basic links I will provide in the description box. You can go through it. Next is the Coursera. Same as Udemy and EDX, Coursera is also one of the platform where there are multiple courses, free as well as paid courses. Some are the paid courses, some are the free courses. By using your Gmail account, you can log in here and enroll for different courses. And these courses are offered and taught by some of the reputed universities like Stanford, NITs or NUS. Some of the many popular university professors taught the different languages and different courses. As you can see here, the machine learning course offered by Coursera is from the Stanford University, and basically they are free also. So many people are taking advantage as well as they are getting enough knowledge of different languages. So you can use these courses to inbuild and increase your knowledge and to learn the Python language. Next is the Codecademy. So here also Codecademy is also one of the great platform where you can get a free Python coding knowledge, and they have explained the things in a very basic a few words, and a small coding sessions are there. We can write the online code without installing the Python, so no need to do any installation on your machine. Directly you can write the code on the browser. So those who don't have any knowledge about any language like Python language, you can start with Codecademy. And there are currently Python 2 and Python 3 are the courses which are available free. Python 2 is available for free, but Python 3 is available for the paid members. Those who want to go for the paid course, you can go for it. But the basic Python course which is free also, you can learn the basic Python coding. And there are many more websites which provide the Python free sessions or Python coding sessions, such as Udacity is also one of the website. There are different courses on Udacity like machine learning, AI, IoT, Python. Educative is also one of the website. Free Codecamp is also one of the website. So you can go through any of these websites and learn Python coding without any paying any.
So thank you for watching the video, and more such videos. Stay tuned towards my channel. Make sure you subscribe it, and also follow me on Instagram. You can DM me your queries there for new interesting topic. Thank you everyone.